Yo YouTube, it's the boy, Ice Boy, back again with the channel with another opening. You must be looking at the mat and being like, what? That's not a Digimon. That's a Pokemon. And you're right. You'll see a video very soon of some Pokemon card openings, and that's where I got this mat. But I got this in the mail today, and I was really excited and, want to open it and get it out to you guys as soon as possible. We got the new Scarlet and Violet OLED Switch. Why did I get it? Because it's pretty. I'm excited to open this with you guys. Let's check out the box real quick. Love the little graphics we have with the starters for Coco, Quaxley, and Sprigatito. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty Switch. I love the color purple. That was a big reason why I got this. But let's bust her open. Oh. We got the Joy-Cons. We got the Switch herself. A manual, who needs that? Some cords that I'll, use later when I'm setting it up. Joystick controller converter thingamajigger. Comes with every Switch. We got our bumpers. And the dock. Bye-bye, box. We love you. Okay. We're going to go ahead and just start over here. I'm excited for the new Pokemon games. Are you? Got to be playing them later today when the video comes out, if I'm not mistaken. We got our Joy-Cons out. Let's take a closer look at the bumpers. I like them. White, classic, the string, standard bumper. But I think they're sleek. I like white bumpers. And I like that the cords match your colors. Now for the Switch herself. Oh, new Switch, look how shiny it is. Alrighty, are you charged at all before I show the back? Can I turn on the screen? Ooh, Nintendo. That's a lot. My other Switch is a first generation Switch, and I could already tell the screen is so much more vibrant. I'm excited to play Pokemon on this. But we all came to look at before I even, let's go ahead and get these handles on her. Finish her up. And boom. Oh. Wow, that is really pretty. I really like this. I'm really happy I got it. I was really second guessing it. Back and forth. We got the Scarlet symbol, the Violet symbol, we got all the starters and their little cute poses throughout the back of the Switch. A few stickers in the background, it looks like. That's Hattering's first form, if that's not Hattering. What the frick? News generation. Like the cakes and the spoon with the Pokeball. Oh, that feels so much more solid than any Switch I've ever... Oh, and you can change the angle? Oh, I like that. All the way down like that. This is cool. Oh, I like that. I'll keep that in the corner there. And now for the dock. In my opinion, the most beautiful dock of all Switches right now. When I saw this, this is really what took me over the edge as well. First, we'll look over here. I love the back of the dock, how we got a little Pokeball in the corner here, right where you have all your cords going. I like that it's just a pop-off and no longer a panel. That was annoying, kind of. And voila! Oh, that's nice. They're textured too. Let's see if I can get it. You can see it in the camera. It's almost like a holographic in a card. You gotta get the light to shine on it. Oh, maybe you could. So you could kind of see that he's got some hexagons and triangles on him. No, you can't really see it. And then the violet's got like some space sparkles in him. I really like that. It's just really clean, straightforward. Ooh, that's pretty. And then top it all off. Boop. Boop. There she is. Very quick one for you guys. Just wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed, and let me know what other Pokemon things you want me to open. You'll see this card collection here soon. Not the card collection, pardon me. A box opening of some sort. Get excited for that. Well, hope you all have a great day. Adios.